Daddy? Daddy? Daddy, you're not going to work today?
What time now?
Almost 10 o'clock.
Huh? So, Auntie Patsy gone already?
Yeah, long time.
So she not even wake me up.
She leave early.
So you get breakfast?
Mm. Daddy, them announced a new date for the cheerleading competition.
Yeah? When are you here?
The 27th.
Well, I just hope say I don't have nothing to do that day there.
Please don't be busy that day because of the finals I'm more headed today.
Alright. If anything, we'll ask you at the half. So, when I know win, what am I gonna get?
We get trophy, we get cash prize, and we are going to represent Jamaica overseas.
What? Foreign behavior. You and me, why you tell them for me? Just tell them, say, save a ticket for me, come on, there.
Save his ticket. And you have to buy my ticket, and if you want to come, you have to buy your ticket.
Hold on. What you mean?
Daddy, you don't understand English. Alright, must be part of you. You have to buy for me ticket, and if you want to come too, you have to buy your ticket.
Destiny. Now representing I represent Jamaica.
Yes.
So how I know Jamaica buy on a ticket?
All me know, one of my friends them go last year, she not cheerleading, and she have to pay 500,000 for she and her mother go.
And that last year, so that means this year I got more expensive.
Plus, you have to go give me spending money because me I go and go shopping, me I go and buy food, me I go and buy clothes, me I go and buy chain, me I go and buy this, me I go and buy that.
Channel star. I know it also now we say a better know.
Aye, hello, don't call on that power here. We are going, I bet you save, borrow loan and pay it back. But you have to go buy at least one ticket.
Alright. We'll go take it one step at a time. I'll wait for the 27th, then we'll talk again. Cause I have to go figure out that 2 ticket thing there.
You know, have to come. Once Auntie Charlie, Auntie Leonie cry and Sir Dede, we don't need nobody else.
Oh, so it's alright for me come at the finals at Jamaica, but me not good enough to come at foreign, right?
Daddy, your pocket a go bad.
So how you know that? Me not even say nothing no. You know just wait till the time.
Daddy, you work at water commission. One ticket at 300 at 1,000. Imagine two.
Well, you no bother worry about my pocket. If you a go, me a go.
Daddy, you not have to go, you know. You can just make me go and I'll come back and tell you a story.
I feel like you're up to something, you know. What you up to?
I'm not up to nothing. Oh, Daddy, I forgot to tell you yesterday. And Daddy said a leak and look like that come from out there, so.
Cha-cha. Give me a second. have to call back the workman them again. Cause something want to fix again.
Daddy, Auntie Patsy tell me that she have a surprise to show me.
Surprise? What kind of surprise that?
I don't know. She not show me yet.
Okay. Are you alright think that?
Daddy, my teacher them said they want for the summer school. I'm want it in the 5th grade class.
Summer school? Well, you have cheerleading now and you have practice 3 days a week now. Plus you have finals that come up. So how that a go work?
But me have teammates. Them are doing summer school and them are cheerleading.
Alright, look on this. Summer school lasts 1 month. You have a cheerleading thing where you commit to already. And that's gonna happen by the end of the month. We just don't want you stretch yourself too thin. And the fact that you don't commit to that, I don't want you fall off track. And your brain need rest.
Daddy, my brain strong. Every day it lift up dumbbell and it's strong.